Hey guys, it's your girl Lakia Maria and welcome to another video here on the channel. Whether you're new to the channel or an OG, I primarily share planning and organizational videos, and today I have another one coming from my current planner system, which is the standard size grid notebook from Ali Reyes. I will have all the information linked in the description box along with anything else that I feature in this video plus other related videos, so be sure to check that out. So I wanted to go ahead and jump into my September layout just to show you guys, because I am absolutely loving this notebook. I'm loving this system. This is how I was planning while I was traveling for work, and it just worked out so well, and I'll go more in depth with that in a different video. But here are the pages of my September setup so far. I also did like this journaling page because I had this doll here, this Aaliyah sticker. So this is from the song Back and Forth, Who is the Liyh, and I just put my favorite song. So just a random journaling page, and that is the creativity I am loving in this journal notebook, whatever you want to call it so far, is that I can literally do whatever I want to do to the pages, and I don't care honestly what order it's in. I just turn the page and it is what it is. So getting into my September 2022 cover page, if we flip back to August, so here's the inside cover using Goldmine and Cocoa dolls. This one's from Capital Chic. This I actually cut on my Cricut. And then here was the October, I'm sorry, we're not in October yet. I'm over here rushing my birthday month. This was the August cover page, and I took more of a creative journaling approach to this, just having little scraps here and there. And then for this one, I kind of did the same thing. All the stickers are from this sticker book. I found it at Hobby Lobby, and it is from Jenna Holiday, Spoonful of Faith. I was tempted to buy the larger sticker book on Amazon, but while I was traveling for work, I had no stickers with me, and I decided to just go with this one. Just enough stickers, because I'm really not trying to add anything else to my stash. And then the washi tape that I use, also from Hobby Lobby. It came in a 2-pack. And I just have that all throughout this notebook. And also the football stickers are from Hobby Lobby. The case itself is from Amazon, and just has a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So I just put the stickers sporadically. First I only had this portion of the page, but then I just extended it and just did the whole page. Then we have the calendar. Could my spacing have been better? Sure, why not? But this is what we have. So I just literally freehanded this. My pen of choice is always the Sharpie S Gel in the 0.7. These Staedtler dupes that I have do not bleed through, which is nice to be able to use those on the page. So this is the calendar that I made, Sunday through Saturday. When I'm starting my weekly view, I'll do Monday start, but my calendar, I prefer to have it Sunday start. And I just put in all of my bills here so that I can have a snapshot and see it. I will say with my calendar though, I am using that in tandem with my phone, and that when I was traveling for work, that's what I had to do. I had to have everything, all the scheduling had to be in my phone, so I got accustomed to that over this past month, and I just like having a hard copy with me as well. Then I took more stickers from the Spoonful of Faith mini sticker book here, and I put my September focus, my goals, which are not only fitness goals but increasing my income, and then also increasing my income so I can pour more into my savings. And then also my anxiety just is all over the place. But this month I will say that implementing a routine of manifesting, that's one of, not just manifesting, I'm sorry, meditating manifesting always, but meditating has been a game changer for me and my anxiety. Just being aware of my surroundings and checking in with myself when I feel myself getting anxious has been a game changer. Then I have this wish list page. I have like this wardrobe that I want to create, and I wouldn't say it's a capsule wardrobe. It's more of like a colorful capsule wardrobe, because I feel like all the wardrobes are like super neutral and basic, and that's just not the vibe that I'm going for. So as far as my wish list, I ordered some shirts already, but I also want to add more flannels. And then I have this black puffer vest that I wore out like no other last season from H&M. Y'all, I want another one. I want it in brown. I want a pair of classic Uggs and Doc Martens. My birthday's also coming up, so that's that. And then these two stickers, I got a Cricut Maker. The model that I had before then was a Cricut Explore Air. So I just printed these out on the Cricut and then just gave my thoughts on the Cricut Maker. And as I continue to use it, I'll update it. I do have a plan with me coming on this particular spread, so stay tuned for that. That'll be the next video that I share, will be the plan with me of this one. So the stickers that I used these date covers from Pink Diamond Planner Co. Just the full boxes from Cinderella Paper. And then these Hobby Lobby football stickers, which have always been a favorite of mine. This doll over here, my planning time. And then the date covers are from this Hobby Lobby sticker book. So yes, I shared that recently in a Hobby Lobby haul. Again, check that out in the description box. And then I just have this cloth and paper sticky note for like miscellaneous to-dos, because I'm using this back when I was using Astrology. I would have like my days mixed with like to-dos as well as journaling, and that's what I did back here when I was traveling for work. I'd put in my to-dos mixed in with everything else that was going on. And this week I wanted to use these full box stickers, so I'm just trying out different layouts and I am enjoying it so far. So these sticky notes here, I'll definitely more than likely end up moving to the back once this one's full, just plopping it and flipping it over. But that is it for my September setup so far. If you guys would like more information on this notebook or anything else, would love to chat with you in the comments. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will not have only products featured in this video, but related videos as well. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in, and be sure to stick around for the next one. Stay safe, you guys. Bye.